Once again, good morning for Standard 10th. Last time I have given you an outline map of India to mark the following points neatly and precisely to show Western Ghats, River Chenab, direction of southwest monsoon from Bay of Bengal branch, then red soil area in the far northeast state, standard meridian I have told you to show, then Coromandel coast I have told you to shade, Nathula Pass, iron ore and coal area in districts Singhbum and Jharia. State having highest density population also you have to mark. And last I told you to mark city Allahabad. So now I'm showing you answer here. Answer is here how you have to show on an outline map. First of all, you can see below Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats both they have shown here on the printed map. Like this one of the solution for board exams it is. And these questions are taken selectively. Now B is upside, you can see River Chenab. I'm focusing here. B answer is this. Then for C answer, Bay of Bengal branch I have shown, you see how it is shown here, southwest monsoon direction. Then for D it was red soil area in the far northeast state, that is the Arunachal Pradesh area we have shaded here, and some other states also included in this. Then for E it was standard meridian, you see this dotted line which is going from top to bottom, and how border area you have to see how it is stretching the border area from where it's passing, especially these points you have to keep in mind. Okay, these points should be correct, that you have to take care. Then after that, E I have for you standard meridian. Then F it was asked about Coromandel coast, you see Coromandel coast is shaded here, F. Then G was Nathula Pass, how it is shown Nathula Pass. H was about two cities, that is Singhbum and Jharia coal mines, we have shown H here, and the key is given here for H. H iron ore Goa in Singhbum district, like this key you can make, and coal and Jharia can be shown by different shadings. So H is over. After H, I. Where is I here? We have to see. And I is here, Bihar. Bihar is the highest density population, and how it is shaded, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, the shade is different for Coromandel coast, and the shade is different for Bihar highest density population. Not do the don't do same shading like this. Okay, population by 1102, that is February 2011 census. Then after that, J was our last question. It is Allahabad city was asked, and you see how by the dot it has been marked and separately has been neatly written. So you also have to write neatly and check your map. If you have done any mistake, correct your mistakes and be ready for submitting this map. Now, let us see chapter 10. I have already done beginning part, natural vegetation. I have read importance. Then I have told you about different types of forest, types of vegetation which are found. We have read at least three types, and now we are on littoral or tidal forest. Okay, pay attention. I will be reading with you. So you have to keep your finger in the book with me and understand. What are littoral forest or tidal forest? What are the climatic conditions? Littoral or tidal forest, you can see, which are found in the swampy areas. These forests are found in the marshy or wet areas, in the river deltas, tidal and other swampy areas along the sea coast. Distribution. These forests are chiefly distributed in the deltas of the large rivers on the eastern coast and in the pockets of the western coast in saline swamp, Sundarban in the West Bengal, and coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. So this is the distribution part of this forest. See in this picture how it is shown. Export silt root during the low tide. These are tidal forest. In low tide, their roots are visible because water is taken away. That's what. Then characteristic features. When low tide is on the shore coming, it is what are characteristic features? They have mainly evergreen species of varying density and height, usually associated with wetness. The tree's trunk are supported by a number of still root, which remain submerged under water during high tide and can be seen during low tide also. They have profuse growth with a tangle of climbers, which is an adaptation for the survival in the soft and shifting mud. These forests have breathing roots called pneumat- pneumatophores. Pneumatophores is there. So pneumatophores you are studying in bio also. Because waterlogged condition, the roots are deprived of the oxygen during high tides. So some mangrove roots extend vertically above the ground. These vertical roots have pores which enable the trees to breathe when other roots remain submerged underwater during high tide. The important trees includes Coria, Amur, Bhara, Rhizophora, Screw, pines, canes, palms, sundari, agar, etc. Mangrove forests grow along the coast in the salt marshes, tidal creeks, mud flats, estuaries. They have found in the Andaman Nicobar Island and West Bengal. Other areas of significance include Mahanadi, Godavari, and Krishna deltas. These forests have Sundari trees, after the name of which these forests are known as Sundarban. So, by the name of the Sundari trees only, Sundarban it comes. What is economical value? Mangrove trees are utilized for fuel, whereas Sundari trees provide hard, durable timber. So, up to now, we have read many forests, many types of trees we have read. That's what here I'll be reading for you. Pay attention. First of all, we have read Rosewood. So this box is important. Learn it. Rosewood is used for making furniture, floorboards, vegan parts, etc. It is used for decorative wood also, for carving and for making ornamental plyboards and veneers. Ebony is our next type of tree. It is used in ornamental carving and for decoration. It is used for inlaying for making musical instruments, sports goods, piano keys, and caskets. So you are familiar? Teak. Teak wood is moderately hard and durable and easy to work. It is used for construction purposes, shipbuilding, and making furniture, railway carriages, sleepers, and bridges. Next is sandalwood. Sandalwood is one of the most important. Is used for making statues, ornament objects. It is also used in making aromatic. What is aromatic? Which are giving a smell. Aromatic substance for extracting sandalwood oil. So that is what. Then sal. Sal wood is very hard. Sal wood is very hard and heavy and tough. It is used for making beams, planking, railing of bridges, doors, windows, post houses, railway sleepers, etc. The next is palus. Palus leaves are used for rearing shell-like worms. So their leaves are important. Beer is a fruit which is eaten raw. In our area also it is being eaten raw or made pickle or beverages. Its timber is hard, strong, tough and durable. It is used to make legs for the bedstead, boat ribs, agriculture implements and charcoal etc. Next is bubul. Bubul bark and gum have medicinal value. Neem. Neem tree we have in our school ground also or assembly ground also. We can see it daily. Neem bark and roots have medicinal properties. It's effective in treating diabetes, allergies, ulcers, and several other diseases. Neem oil leaves and neem extract are used to manufacture health and beauty products. Neem is also used in insecticides. Okay. Then deodar. What is deodar? Is a medium weight durable wood. It is used for construction work and for making railway sleepers. It is also suitable for beams, floorboards, ports, windows frames, and light furniture. Then we have Sundri. I have just read Sundri trees provide hard, durable timber for construction purpose and for boat making. It is used. Next, we have mountain forest. This is last characteristics for us. In mountain region, temperature decreases with altitude. This has a corresponding effect on the natural vegetation of the mountain region. What are the climatic conditions for mountain forests? These forests are found in areas where annual temperature. So where annual temperature is 12 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius, rainfall is between 100 and 300 centimeter, and annual humidity between 56 and 65%. What are the relief used? These forests occur at an altitude 1000 meter to 4000 meters. So that is their location point. Distribution. These forests cover the entire Himalayan zone, the peninsular region. They are found in the Vindhyas, Nilgiris, and the Western Ghats. What are the characteristics? Let us see. These forests contain mixed species of broad leaved evergreen trees and conifers. This also contains scrubs, creepers, and ferns. At the foothills of Himalayas, deciduous forests are found. At an altitude of 1000 meter to 2000 meter, they are almost moist. They are moist temperate forest. They are moist temperate forest. In the hilly areas, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, evergreen broadleaf trees like chestnut, oak are found. Between the altitude of 1500 meter and 1750, that is 1750 meter, coniferous trees like cher pine is an important tree. At an altitude of 2250 meter and 300 meter, blue pine and spruce are found. At an higher altitude, alpine forest and alpine grass up to the snow line are found, followed by mosses, lichens. Beyond the snow line, no vegetation is found. In the peninsular region, the area is about 1500 meter in height and vegetation varies from tropical to temperate forest. This is because of their closeness to the tropics and height of only 1500 meter above the sea level, so the vegetation is temperate and higher region and subtropical on the lower region of the Western Ghats, especially in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. These temperate forests are called sholas in Nilgiris, Enamalai, and Palani hills. The important trees found in these forests include magnolia, laurel, cinchona, wattle, jamun, palm, etc. Correlation of forest with the environment, let's read in next class. And by the time, this table is very, very important. Okay, this table you have to learn. Okay, so learn it. It can be used for your viva. By the time, take care. There is vegetation type, climatic conditions, distribution, important trees.